Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I am exciting to explain you Oracle All Operator, View Creation and Oracle Rollup. So, what is Oracle All Operator? So, Oracle All Operator is used to compare a value with a list of values in a subquery. Okay, for example, here here we are getting a values of product name list values. Okay, from products, and here we have given a condition like list price is greater than of select list price from product where category ID is 1. So it will first this subquery will give you the list prices that is coming from a product table whose category ID is 1. Okay, and then it will compare this list of values to the list price within the same table that should be greater than all these values that is coming from this subquery. Let's check what are all those values. So these are all values. It should be greater than these all values. Okay. If I will run the whole query, you will get see it is greater than all those values. 8,000, 4,000, 5,000. And one more thing. In earlier videos, I have explained to you one thing in Oracle Part 11 about any operator. So it is actually reverse of that. In Oracle all operator, we are actually using the AND condition. If we want to uh, write the same query using the AND operator, we will get the same result. For example, here you can see here I have used all operator. Okay, so all operator I have used and getting these values list price this and see the count. How many count will be there? 10 rows are there. Okay, if the same query if the same query I want in or a AND operator using AND operator, how I will do that is where list price is greater than equal to these values greater than equal to these values greater than equal to these values. Okay, I will get the same result. See here how many counts are there. Then okay, if I will use AND operator and see the result, see same result we will get. It means that if you want to replace all with and, you will get the same result. If you don't want to use all, you can use and operator and get the same result. Like here I have shown you, right? Like a all means it will compare a value with and operators of all these values. It means like in earlier videos I have shown that how any operator we can replace the any operator with or. Please go through that video, you will get a better understanding. Or in Oracle, any operator, if we don't want use any operator, we will use or operator. Like here, if we don't want to use all operator, we can use and operator in this design. See, this price greater than equal to these values, greater than equal to these values, greater than equal to these values. So this is all about all operator in Oracle. There are a few more example like here. If we want to see the list price which is less than the average list price of the product, we will use this query here. Select average of list price from product group ID this. Once we will get the values this average, this should be less than this all price means less than this and this and this and this. All these four values should be less than. Okay, and if we will see the values here 401, earlier we are getting 1386. So whatever the value we will get from the whole query, it should be less than the in the query result 4. Okay, so this is the best example actually. So this is all about all operator here greater than equal to that I have shown you. This is also we're using and operator if you don't want to use all operators. Next, view creation. So I hope you guys know about the view operator. View operation. What is view? So view actually a logical combination of a tables. It's not a base table. It's like a combination of tables and getting the results in the select statement. That is called view in Oracle. So how we will create a view? Here it is example. See, create view name. This is a view name, okay? And the view name I have given as a customer category sales, and as is a syntax. This is a syntax. Create a view name as select. This is the same in the traditional way, like select from where I have select this category name, customer name, sum of quantity, list from orders, and here I have used the uh, this different format of inner join. Okay, you can use that earlier format also. No issue. You can use this inner join also. Customers using customer ID. So what we are doing is we are joining this orders tables and customer table using this customer ID column. Same order ID column, product ID column, and this one is category ID. Okay. Once it's done, we will just write create view name. It will create a view for these tables. See, already exists. See, that's why it's not executing. You want to replace. You can also use replace keyword. So if you need replace, it will replace the view. Okay. And now, so what is the use of this view is that instead of every time executing this whole query, you can just do the select start from this view. For example, here, just write select start from this view. See, you will get a same results like for category, customer, and sales amount. So that is the uh, thing about the customer category set sales. Now, here what we have done, select customer category sales. We are just doing the specific columns selection and getting the result from a view. Here, like same view is there, and then executing it. Customer category from category, customer category sales, order by customer category. Got it? I hope you are understanding it. If you have any doubt, please comment it out. Now, next topic, Oracle Rollup. So, what is Oracle Rollup and why we are using? So, Oracle Rollup is used to get a total value. Okay, total value of what? Total value of a sales from the customer. For example, here this query, what it will do is it will returning the sales revenue that is generated by customer for the year 2017. Okay, so like here I have used from orders. Okay, I use inner join with order item using order ID. That status will be shipped. Salesman should not be null. Means must have a salesman. I must have a salesman person. Okay, and then extracting the year from the order date 2017. If you want to give the extraction from other year, you can give 2019, 2020 like that. So this is the same. Okay, and then here you are summing up. If you are using the sum function, this is a get function, then you have to use group by. Group by on what? Customer ID. So see, so it is a result of amount, but this amount is quantity into unit price. Okay, now you want amount. Amount of what? All amount if you want. You want all the total revenue generated by all the customer. Then I will use this. Sorry, select sum of amount from, and I will make the previous query as a table. See here, I have made the previous this query as a table here. Okay, and then I put sum up on this group by this. customer ID, right? And then I will get only one rows because it is summing up of all the values. But if you want to see all the customer ID, sum of amount, and the subtotal and everything, and then total amount, for that we have to use the rollup function. Here, the rollup will come into the picture because it is fast and better way to calculate the total value. See, this query will become also short. Select sum of quantity into unit price as amount from orders inner join where shipped Notner 2017 group by customer ID. Group by roll up customer ID. So what it will do, it will generate the sum of values for all the customer one by one, and at last it will give the total amount generated by this company. See, customer ID it is giving for 4917, it is giving the amount 17, it is giving amount 1 amount, like that. At last what it is generating, it is generating the same result of total amount generated by this company 7811 equal to, here it is generating 7811 the main advantage of this roll-up function is that it is giving you the customer ID wise sum of amount, and at last it is giving the total amount. I hope you are understanding. Okay. If you have any doubt, please comment it out. I will reply as soon as possible. And please like, subscribe my channel so that I can motivate and give you more videos on it. Thank you.